I got one thing, that I was a guinea pig for my gynecologists. Today, I more than anything, if I have to give my designation, I proudly say I'm a mother just because of you guys. I was not aware about all this PCOD and what hormonal imbalances are there and what harmful effects it can have. And because of PCOD at 8 weeks, I had to lose the conception. And I was completely shattered because even till that time, I had no clue why it happened. Though my reports, they told me that the ovaries are swollen and there are some other issues as well, but they didn't tell me that swollen ovaries or PCOD, if you'll keep trying and trying, it will lead to a miscarriage. So I became more adamant that I want to conceive again. I had one IUI. It was so, like, I have went through extreme pain. I used to cry in that pain. After tube test, I still remember today, I could not walk, ma'am. I could not walk. I got one thing, that I was a guinea pig for my gynecologists. Then in 2022 was my year, maybe. My husband came across your page on Facebook. आपने जो importance सिखाई है ना, ma'am, I can go on and on and on. It would like 10, 15, 20 minutes of interaction is nothing for me to, non-stop say about it. What I have got from you, from your program. I'm grateful. वो Facebook post का आना अचानक से, I conceived completely naturally. I had given up on everything, on every doctor, because they were not experimenting with me. This was my last try, to be very honest, that I will give it a last try. I don't know, then I'll leave it. जैसे हम कहते हैं ना कि मैं फिर वाहिगुरु से ऊपर the वाहिगुरु in the form of a human being. It was a complete surprise as well. You have given me the biggest gift of life. Trust me. And what you are doing, you do not know how many blessings you are garnering from every that woman who has been facing. Though I was the one who was bit lucky that I had no pressures from the in-laws or the husband, but I know myself personally, who are so much, getting pressurized and going through all the tests and everything just because in-laws and husbands have no idea what is to be done.